Well, Wayne Belcher again here in Seattle, Washington. We're at the apprenticeship program for the bricklayers. We have been asked by SIKA to extrude some polyurethane, some SIKA 1A out of their new packaging. So we decided to bring it down here to the apprenticeship and let the boys have some fun with it. So here's what we're going to do. Get this all prepped, ready. Come over here and let's take a look and see how it goes in. So what we're going to do is show how we're going to effectively extrude this material into the joint. Well, we're mimicking joints here with the brick wall. So we want to cut this at a slight angle at the proper width. And you'll see that the distance between the tip and the base is wider than from side to side. But the tip is always going to be our trailing point when we're shooting the sealant in there properly. Let's demonstrate that now. So I want to make sure that I have that in there just proper, not sideways, but just slightly angled. So it's going to be trailing, that tip is going to trail it. Now watch the effect that we have here. Turn this down a little bit. You see how that knife effectively fills the joint? Now let's do one where I do it incorrectly. If I widen it out too much.
Can I alter this grid if I'm trying to go up?
I don't have the tip quite correct. You see I have a nice flat surface to tool here, and now I've got so much in there because I didn't turn the tip correctly that we'll have to back tool that and take off the excess before we actually tool it in. So let's do it correctly one more time. I'm going to adjust my tip. It's the trailing edge. I don't use too much material. I don't have too much to worry about to make a mess. That's it. Very good job. We're going to make a caulker out of you today. Now, what's your name?
My name's Dominic.
All right, Dominic, what do you think of that? That's a nice thing. Now push that in there. You're making them make contact.
Oh, yeah.
You're skipping over the top. There you go.
Oh, yeah. I see it.
That's it. Excellent. That's a much better job. Make contact. Keep going. Just keep going.
I need to.
Okay, tell us your name.
TJ.
TJ. How's that working for you?
Pretty good. Smooth.
Why don't you do a vertical for us? That's it. Are you getting used to that battery operated gun?
Oh, I love it. Much quicker.
Skip across the top of the joint. That's why there's a lot of joint failures, because you want to push the sealant to the bond line so that you get adhesion. So everybody say adhesion.
Extrusion.
Excellent, excellent. So we're going to show you how to properly grind a tool. You all have one in your hand, and I'm going to grind one for you, and then I'm going to send it out here for you to copy. So here we go. I'll put my shield down. So what I've done here, I'm going to show you the difference between the two. You see I've got a taper on one and I got a blank stamp on the other. So you're going to try to, and then what I've done here, here's the way to do it. You want to do this little motion right here. a little bit at a time. Don't worry about making a mistake, we'll fix it. A little bit at a time, and then once you get both sides done, you want it symmetrical, asymmetrical, right? It's gonna be the same. So what that tip does is pushes the sealant to the bond line, it wets it for an intimate contact so we get great adhesion. Everybody say adhesion again? Adhesion. All right. So, and then once you're done, you want to take the burrs off. So you come across very softly on the sides like this, and then you're done. So, first victim, volunteer. Here we go. Well, we're having a great time out here at the International Bricklayers Apprenticeship Program. I want to introduce you to Lowell Goldowski.
Yes.
Got that right. Lowell, tell us a little bit about the program, what we're doing for the guys.
So first of all, we have roughly about 272 apprentices here at our local training center here at Seattle. Right now we currently train 6 different crafts: PCC, which is restoration, brick, brick and block, marble masons, tile setters, gravel workers, and there's also a factory as well, which is not factory.
So the gentlemen that we were training today, shooting some caulking and tooling and grinding some tools, they're with the PCC program?
Correct, yeah, they're with the restoration program.
Okay.
And we have about roughly 92 restoration apprentices right now.
Well, that's fantastic. Guys, what did you think about the program today? Oh, some more enthusiasm. Come on. Hey, awesome. All right, hey, we want to thank SIKA for donating the material and special packaging that we put to test today. And just want to thank everybody for their participation. We have one more thing to say. Go!